Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Hello everybody, welcome to the technical analysis of the Forex market from the ForexPeaceArmy.com. This is the daily video research. As usual, we will talk about the euro currency. We'll start from the daily time frame. Well, in general, during the current week, on the daily time frame, we see there's very tight consolidation around the weekly pivot point. And overall situation we could treat as the market's indecision, since the pivot point is the one of the indicators of the market sentiment, and since market stands with the equal distance to the upside, to the upward and downward, right around the weekly pivot point, it's just we can say that market is calling around the weekly pivot point. Well, so we could say that market just can't estimate the further direction in the short-term perspective, since that is just a sign of the indecision. You can see that trying to break into the upside, returning back close below the pivot, trying to continue move to the downside, returning back close above the pivot. So that is just the calling information about the weekly pivot point, and we could say that this is in general the sign of the indecision. So I dare to suspect that probable today and tomorrow trading session will be focused inside some of this consolidation on the daily time frame and the intraday charts. So we should take a look at this consolidation with the more details, this price action during the previous week, and try to estimate what we can expect from the market's behavior. On the 4-hour time frame, what do we see? In fact, this price action reminds the large triangle. Trading inside the triangle, we see the first move, second, third. Now this should be the fourth, and usually the classical breakout usually happens on the fifth wave inside the triangle. So this fifth wave should be to the downside. In general, we'll see that 4-hour time frame now is bullish. You can see that this pattern A, B, C bottom. The nearest target stands very close to the previous high. It's around 135.42. So this is very close to the upward border of this triangle. And probably today trading session and tomorrow's trading session will stand inside this triangle. The price action that we have discussed yesterday around in this area was really curious, because market has hit A, B, C tab, 618 target, reached the lower border of this triangle, shown the Russian range of this low, and shows deep retracement inside. Later, it couldn't continue move to the downside and stop right here. So that is not typical price action when the market has hit just the 618 target. Usually market hits 618 target, showing some shallow retracement and continue move to the downside. This price action tells that the reaching of the upper border of this triangle and the hitting of the possible 135.40 area, so at least weekly pivot, monthly pivot points around 135.10, is very probable. So currently, I do not see any real signs of the potential breakout that could happen right now. So there are some hints of some bearish patterns exist, and we will discuss it a bit later. But currently, the development of inside of this triangle suggests that market could show still in some continuation to the upward. From another perspective, we will take a look at another way on the 4-hour time frame. You can see this potential butterfly buy pattern. That is the initial swing, the 1618 target from that ABCD inside the triangle 135.42 that we have just discussed. I mean this one. Okay, this would be absolutely logical from this perspective, since 618 target stands below this high, and this will allow this butterfly to survive and to realize on the market. So this will be the fourth move to the upside, and this could be the breakout to the downside as the fifth way inside the triangle and the breakout way. I have drawn this 1618 target with the 130.03, but this could be also the 127, 131.21. As ultimate development, this could be just the continuation to the downside. That could start as the potential butterfly, but later the market for instance, could continue move even further to the downside. I don't know it currently, but this is another perspective that could appear on the market in the nearest future. On the hourly time frame, what do we see? Trend holds bullish. There are two different scenarios could happen. First of all, market could continue proceed move high, as we said, to the 135.40 area, because this is 1618 extension target from that pattern. A, B, C bottom. 1618 stands 135.17. 100% stands around 134.70. Also from that pattern, A, B, C bottom. 100% stands at 134.70 in the same area, and the 1618 stands at 135.44, just 2 pips higher than the ABCD pattern on the 4-hour time frame, as you can see. Almost in the same area. So some continuation to the upward, to the upside is very probable. At least to the 134.70 area it's very probable, because this is the triangle. 4-hour trend and hourly trend are bullish, so it's very probable that market still could continue move to the upside. Okay. As the bearish environment, this could be the potential butterfly buy pattern, because market now stands below this high. This could be left wing, right wing. So market, in fact, could show the breakout right now. But in general, it's very difficult to say definitely will it happen or not. From the perspective of the trend and the overall behavior on the higher time frames, there is still probably market should continue a bit further to the upside before any reverse to the downside could happen. Although just keep in mind this potential pattern, I just want to show you anything that could happen on the market currently, because to analyze market during the consolidation, with the sharp and sloppy consolidation, when the market just calling around the weekly pivot point, this is more, I can say this is more the art rather than the science. So it's very difficult and tricky to make the suggestions about the potential moves on the market when you can see such kind of price action. So for instance, if you'll take a look at the 4-hour time frame, just try to analyze the price action during the current week. This is just some consolidation around the weekly pivot point. Okay, so that's been said. In general, I suppose that market has solid chances still to proceed to the 135.40 area, and then we could judge what will happen. If market will break that area, take out that B point, then we could expect further move to the upside to our daily area of agreement that we have discussed yesterday. If market will reach that area and turn to the downside, this could turn to this potential butterfly pattern. On the hourly time frame, there are crucial areas. This B point 135.53. If market will break and take this high, then this butterfly will be erased by the price action, and we could count on some continuation to the upward move. Well, the opposite scenarios also could come. This is potential butterfly buy, so market could continue move to the downside and take this C point. Then probably we could say that market will try to break this support area that we have shown on the 4-hour time frame and continue move to the downside. So that's two different scenarios, as for the bulls as for the bears. So if you are bullish, it's probably better to wait when the market will take out this B point if you're a scalp trader with the potential target is around that area. If you are bearish, it's better to wait for a continuation to that area and search for the sell signals around 135.40 areas right here. Or wait for clear patterns of breakout, this long-term triangle pattern on the 4-hour time frame.